Bonjour, welcome to this new video. Today I'd like to teach you more vocabulary. And here's something that I heard not that long ago. Someone, an American, was spending time in France, and upon a return, someone was saying, well, it's easy for her, she's got a job lined up for her. And in French, I was thinking, how do you say that in French? She's got a job lined up for her. We would say, elle a un travail qui l'attend. Elle a un job qui l'attend. Elle a un boulot qui l'attend. Okay, she's got a job expecting her when she comes back. Meaning she's got a job lined up for her when she comes back. Elle a un job qui l'attend. Elle a un boulot. Elle a un travail qui l'attend quand elle reviendra. Remember, after quand, we have the future tense in French, something I cover in the lesson on the future tense. But in terms of vocabulary, remember, we say un boulot at least 50% of the time for a job. D'accord? Un boulot for un travail. And another day, someone said, still about a job, said, je pense que je peux le faire, c'est dans mes cordes. Literally, word for word, it's in my strings. And I thought about the translation. I thought a good translation could be, that's down my alley. I can do it, that's down my alley. Okay? C'est dans mes cordes. All right? So even though the word une corde originally is a string, but that's the way it is. That's the beauty of languages. All right, that's it for today. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below this video. And don't forget to click in the description. You'll see the link to our website to subscribe monthly or to purchase any part of the course that you want. You can start with a monthly subscription and see if you want to purchase the whole thing or part of the course. You can look around. If you have any questions, email me at alex@language-c.com. Like this video if you liked it. Share it with everyone around you. And subscribe to this channel if you have done so yet. You'll get plenty more. And I will see you soon for another video. Salut, à bientôt!